Oh God, I wanna feel it.
13. Hi. Hi. There's my twin. Show you her chain. Look, she got her evil eye chain. Nice. We are protected. Okay. So I wasn't really showing y'all where I was at, but we're moving, so it doesn't matter because I know, y'all know I was in a DV situation and I had a stalker again. So okay. All right. So this is a day in the life of a single mama. That's what we do. Hi. Hi. Come on. Okay. Here we are. Okay. So this is what we do every day. Some people don't like being on camera. Oh, I forgot my holder. As y'all know, I love Dunkin. Hey, Dunkin. You know what I'm saying? Hi. Yeah, see? We got our koozie, as always. It's like 8 years strong. I've been 8 years strong with this Dunkin. Nova, plus no. She don't like when I say hi to anybody. She don't like when I hold no other children. But she about to be a big sister, so come on now. Right, Trump? It's so hard to hold the door and do all this stuff. Uh-huh. Thank you. You're welcome. You see her? Look. No. Good morning, honey. How are you? I'm not gonna hold you. I'm waiting for my order. Look at these seats. Oh my gosh, how cute. Which one do you think I'm gonna sit in? The pink one. Hello. Cross my legs. Okay. So what y'all got going on? Y'all need to charge your phone. We got an outlet here. It's nice and sunny, but it's cold. So of course it's very cold. But look at the new setup. It's purple because they do like, the slogan. They have like a mascot out here. I'm not gonna say, but it's purple. But purple is color royalty, so I'm digging it. I'm feeling it. Okay, coming. So let me go get my coffee. So I ordered. This is mine. Thank you. Okay. Hey, Dunkin. So I got my coffee. Oh, I'm coming. Thank you, honey. Thank you. Have a great day. Thank you. I'll see you tomorrow. Bright and early. I always got my extra straws. 3. That's the Divine number. Y'all get into it. Oh my goodness, it's so delicious. Ooh, look at that sun. Oh my God, a sun kiss. Y'all already know. Baby girl. Baby girl. So this is my baby girl, right? So this like my daughter, my second daughter. And my new truck, that's my son. That's what I mean, my son. Ooh, look at this. What's going on here? So I don't even have no space because I have my juice. Ooh, y'all was all in my face, sorry. And I got a little hash brown to go deliver to someone because I'm off today, not working. So I'm making little deliveries. I'm so sweet, I don't know. I just put the laundry in. I'm about to put that in here. So today's another day in the life of a busy mama, a starseed mama, whatever you want to call it. Okay, an enlightened one, a chosen one. a light being, right? A light worker. That's a lot. I got a lot of titles. An empress. That's basically what I am. So, y'all ain't know. Now you know. So I just activated my car seat. My steering wheel warmer. I have a steering wheel warmer. And I also have my seat warmer activated. And this, I could feel it through here, through the cover, but good morning. Hi, beautiful. She never saw me in my truck. That's one of the Dunkin people. I always meet her in the morning, but I'm off. She was a little late today because right now is 9 o'clock. I'm usually there because I'm off. I'm usually there like 8, but it's 9. So now I'm about to go and drop these hash browns off. Oh, I just love how the sun is glistening, sun kissed. And this is her new coat. I just picked up a new coat for her. How cute is this? It's cute, right? You see the size? You see what size she is? Extra small. She's not even like 5T no more. Oh boy, I was not ready. When I decided to pick a 6'5" donor or 6'6", I was not expecting for her to be so tall so young. I thought she would have grew into it, like she would have got like 5 years old, 6 years old, and started like have that growth spurt. But my girl, when she was 1, she was already looking like she was 3. Now she 2, she looking like she 5. It's crazy. But anyway, guys, let's get into this video. Let go. Okay, so this is gonna be this is the closet. So I'm just gonna sort this. So this is with one hand. I just bought her these. Oh my goodness, how cute. So I'm buying a lot of lightweight. I told you she loves these. Oh my goodness, can you tell? She loves them. And these are so cute at Walmart. Look at them, little kitty cats. We're gonna get a black cat because black cats are good luck. They just brainwash people and tell them that it's bad luck because they don't want nobody to have good luck. But that's neither here nor there. We getting a black cat, but a kitten. So, you know what I'm saying? But anywho, guys, I am so excited for this new, look at these. I remember look at this. I gotta clean it because I'm not going no place with nothing dirty. Okay. Okay, I remember when I couldn't afford no Gucci, no Balenciaga. I didn't even know what that was. Okay, I ain't even gonna hold you. I ain't even gonna hold you. Now look, it's like water. Look at this, like water, and that's my favorite thing to buy. I don't care. When you can spend it, you have it. I mean, why not? I could spoil myself. Ain't nobody else gonna do it until I get a husband. Then he could, do it or whatever. But I'm not depending on him to do it. Let's get that straight. So these sneakers, these lightweight sneakers right here also. Now she wearing a 9. Lord. Whew. I wasn't, when I picked her donut to be 6'5", I wasn't expecting to have such a tall child. So, I mean, this is about what I'm gonna get. I don't know. I'll put it like this. Look at these. Okay, my girl. She gonna be on a ranch. My girl about to be a cowgirl. Yeehaw. But I'm not gonna tell y'all where I'm going right now because I told you I was in a DV situation again, and I have a stalker. So I'm not telling nobody where I'm going until I get there, and I guess y'all can read the signs or whatever in the background if I post it. Okay, so now it's all sorted. Let me close the closet. Okay. Yes, baby. Oh, that's so cool. You're so cool. I got the coolest kid in the world. You're the coolest. Big truck. So let me show y'all what I do. Yep. So I have all the cups of ice. I have 10 cups of ice, and I just put it in the Ziploc bags. Yeah, I know. Yep. So if y'all didn't know, if you go to Royal Farms, any Royal Farms, and you get cups of ice like this, it's only 42 cents. It doesn't matter how much cups of ice you get, because they charge you for ice. So ice is ice. So look at this. So this is a big gallon bag, and I have 2. So I'm gonna fill it up. Nah, he's looking at me in the truck. They can see me. They think it's hilarious, but I'm saving money. Okay? This is how I save money. I'm always saving, and I'm always looking for the next best thing to save money. And I'm just trying to tell y'all, this is how I spread the word and let y'all save money. So save money with me, people. Don't be afraid. It's not embarrassing. You could even take it inside, buy it. So I bought 10 ices. If I bought a bag of ice, like a 5-pound bag of ice, it's gonna be like $4. And I only paid 42 cents for this. I'm gonna show y'all. This is how serious I am. You see, I'm still going, and I can't reach the ones on the floor. Oh, I'm so mad. So here it is. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and I have the other. See, and it's almost full. I have the other one on the other 2. I'm gonna try to reach. I don't want when I'm driving they topple over and spill. They won't, but I had them secured. But I'll just show you. So this is like 9 bags right here. 9 cups I'm saying in my bag. Yep. And this is a full gallon. So that's 2 gallons. So this is like 2 bags of ice. I put it in my cooler. I have it with me. I put it in the freezer, and I'm good. So we have for 42 cents and 2 more cups on the floor, 2 bags of ice for 42 cents. Yep. Lego.